11 Edwin Allen High School students injured as taxi plunges into river.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
9 students were admitted to the Percy Junior Hospital, and 2 students who are said to be in critical condition were transferred to the Kingston Public Hospital after a taxi in which they were traveling carried off the Grantham Bridge in Frankfield, Clarendon, after colliding with another vehicle. Eyewitness Simone Smith said that about 7 a.m., a 7-seater taxi that was carrying a total of 11 students had stopped on the bridge when a speeding car came crashing into it, pushing the vehicle over the bridge, which has no barriers. It was like a movie, recounted Smith, who said she had been waiting for a taxi to transport her daughter to school. Smith also criticized onlookers, who were more interested in using their cell phone cameras to record the aftermath of the crash than help the injured students. The eyewitness said that after the crash, a group of men rushed to assist the injured children, but first had to turn over the vehicle. The driver of the taxi that was transporting the children has been warned for prosecution.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.